Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create macros in Microsoft Excel. And the reason for macros is more for automation, because if you are receiving a raw data every day or every week, it's to avoid the manual organization of data. What you can do is you can record the steps and then apply those macros with the recorded steps on the data. So that saves a lot of time from organizing the data manually. So the very first thing we are going to do is we are going to enable the macro feature. Over here it's already enabled, but I'm going to show you how to enable that. Right click anywhere on the menu and then click on customize the ribbon. And over here there is a checkbox called developer. You will need to check that box and click OK. So now your macros are the feature is available for use, and now we are going to start organizing the data. But before we do that, we are going to start recording the macro. So I'm going to click on record macro and give it some name. I say organize data, and you can provide some description that will be helpful for other team members, so you can do that. I'm not putting any so using the data. First I'm going to add another row at the top and say first name and last name, phone number, location, and hourly rate. And I'm going to make this header more presentable. And so this is the change I made. You can make so many other changes, using you can add the currency, change the format over here in the columns, or you can use the phone number in a different format. We can try one of those examples over here, like if I can format cells and I say this is the number, but maybe I say special, it's not a zip code, it's a phone number, so I select phone number, and now it appears that way. So once I'm done with all my formatting and I know that the steps are still being recorded, I'm going to go and stop the recording over here. More data the next day, and you want to utilize the same macro and format the data more quickly than doing all that manually. So this is the test data over here, similar data, and what we can do is we can go to developers tab and go to insert. Maybe we create a button. There are other options as well over here. I'm selecting the button and I create a button over here. And when I try to create a button, it's asking me what macro you want to use, and I say I want to use organized data macro that I have. So I selected that, and you can always change the name of the button on that you want. So once I have this button created, all I need to do is I'm going to click on the button and it organized my data automatically. So that's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.